Do you want to post a video on Twitter X? You can upload video on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To post a video on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the Post button to create a new post. Now, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your device gallery. Select the video you want to upload. Once selected, the video will be attached to your post. Now, you can trim the video if needed using the built-in editor. After that, tap on Done. In the text box, you can add your caption or description for the video. Once everything is ready, tap on Post to upload the video. Your video will now be published on X for others to watch. Once done, your followers can view, like, comment, and share your video directly from their feed.